Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second President of India. Guru bina kaise gun gaave, Guru bina kaise gun gaave, maane tori chaabe sabko maane tori chaabe sabko charan gahe sabhi khan ke jab charan gahe sabhi khan ke jab On this occasion of Teachers' Day, teachers are angels without wings sent by God to light a candle in our lives. They build the foundation of our moral values and are the pillars of our success.
कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है कि हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सी हमें होती है दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हमें भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता।
Teachers' Day is the best way for students to express love and respect for teachers. All teacher is a reflection of students. They build our future in this competitive world. So we should always obey teachers' order and follow their advice. Thank you.
Such a feelings coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream.
We love you teachers, we thank you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we thank you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Brahma, Tasmai Gurave Namah.
Written by Sukumar Rai. ঠিকানা আরে আরে জগমোহন, এসো এসো এসো, বলতে পারো কোথায় থাকি আদ্যানাথের মেশো? আদ্যানাথের নাম শোনোনি? খগেনকে তো চেনো, শ্যামবাহেরীর খগেনেরই মামা শ্বশুর যেন। শ্যামের জামাই কেষ্টমোহন, তার যে বাড়িওয়ালা কি যেন নাম ভুলে গেছে। Today is special day for us to pay respect to our teachers. When I started in school, this day seemed so far away. Now it's here and I can't believe that time has passed so quickly. But through your encouragement and guidance, I feel I'm ready for tomorrow's challenges. We celebrate this day to mark the birthday of our second President, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was an ideal teacher and set the high standard for all teachers.
ऐसे कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, खाने हमारी अपने उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Today is a special day for us to pay respect to our teachers. God understood our thirst for knowledge and need to be led by someone wiser. He needed a heart of compassion, of encouragement. period, a teacher guidance plays a very important role. A teacher is with charge of responsibility of creating awareness, instilling values, teaching morals and ethics. They not only teach us solely but also make our mind to be a real human being. During this pandemic situations, the teacher are teaching us so well and look into the fact if we are understanding everything or not, and help us adapting a new method of online classes to teach us. I would like to thank all my teachers on the occasion of Teachers Day for all of their efforts and endless efforts and great contribution to support us and make our late life into a beautiful human being.
Of our life, who also imparts good values in us. Teachers take their best efforts to turn students into responsible citizens. In India, Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September with lots of joy and happiness. September 5th is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ, हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए दिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
We are here to celebrate and pay a hearty tribute to all our dear teachers who build our nation's future. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year.
September 5th is the birth anniversary of one of the modern India's most notable teachers and philosophers, the late Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the independent India's second president, that we have been observing it as our country's Teachers' Day.
To all of my respected teachers and my dear friends, today I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
মনোমর মেঘের সঙ্গী মনোমর মেঘের সঙ্গী উড়ে চলে দিক দিগন্তের পানে নিঃসীম শূন্যে শ্রাবণ বর্ষণ সঙ্গীতে রিমঝিম রিমঝিম রিমঝিম
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार थामी हमारी उंगली